Hi all, this is a video regarding how can we create a repeated class event. Now the primary step is let me log in into our smart class application with the respective credentials. Now you can see that I entered my credentials on my screen. Now click on sign in button so that you are logged into our smart class application, and here you can see the module like class event. Click on it. So here you can see that today events and upcoming events. So this is a today event presently, and here you can see the floating button. Click on it. So select the date, for example selecting 8, and the time, for example I am selecting 10, and up to which time, 10:30, and the grade, let us select third grade, and section A section. And here I already told that the repeated events in the previous school events. So here I select daily. Now expiry date, I want to create this repeated event for at least 4 days, so I select 11. Okay, and now here you can write the title like class event, and here for third class only. Okay, you can write whatever you want in that, and here you can see the create button. Click on the create so that the event has been created for a repeated 4 days, and here you can see that in today event it has been added, and now in upcoming events you can see the list of the, here you can see for third A section on 9th, 10th, 11th the class event has been added. And now let me go. So far we have seen how can we create the class event, and now let me go into the parent app and let me check it. Okay, now you can see the push notification that we have created the class event, and I log in into our parent app so that you can click on class event, and here you can see an calendar of October, and today's the date, and here on the dates you can see some of the dot below the date. And now click on the 8th so that these are the event that which are seen in 8th day and 9th, and here you can see the class event, and 10th here you can see the class event, and 11th here also you can see the class event, so that the repeated class events has been created by the school. And these are the 4 class events, and this is a video regarding the creation of class events repeatedly. Thank you.